As a content creator or a creative person in general, I have to balance and manage multiple roles in my life. May it be on the world of design, as I am a designer by profession, or roles such as a writer, a photographer, or a videographer, as I am trying to grow both here on YouTube and on Instagram as well. There are a lot of options out there for digital organization. We have the trusty veteran Evernote. We have Microsoft's very own OneNote. We also have apps that just works like Google Keep, Google Doc, and Apple Notes. And now we have a new contender, the new kid on the block, craft.do. craft.do is an app for your notes and digital organization, coined as the next generation document editor. It is available for iOS, iPadOS, and Mac OS. It's a fairly new app, launched last November 12, 2020, but I was able to try it out earlier when I was fortunate enough to be one of the beta testers of this app. That was the time when I slowly moved out all of my notes from Notion to craft.do to try it out if it would work for me. And fast forward to today, I'm using craft.do as my main tool for notes and everything writing related. As I've said, I'm using Notion before craft.do. Now you may be wondering why switch. What made me switch from Notion to craft.do? Don't get me wrong, I do love Notion. I think it's a pretty powerful app. You can really customize your pages on what you need your pages to be. But the thing is, I feel like Notion is too powerful or too complicated for what I need it to be. I need something simple, yet still can be customized. I need something straightforward, but still can be managed and can be organized. I need something fast and native. And that's where I think Notion kind of falls short, and that's where craft.do take the spotlight from me. Now, let's break down the key features of craft.do. Intuitive and powerful mobile or touch editing experience-like things. Putting a check on that because I agree. When I first shared this app to my co-creator and friend Macy, by the way, check her channel out. She does amazing stuff. Links up here. The first thing she said was, this app is as beautifully designed as Things 3. From my usage ever since the beta days of this app, I can say that the people behind Craft are those people who have been wanting an app like this for such a long time. I observed that through the way they designed the functionalities of this app, the interface is easy to understand and use, and you can really see the attention to details in developing this. And also, that interface, it's so clean. Allows you to write and structure content the way you want to, like Notion. Well, it's not as complex and as open as Notion. In Notion, you can create like databases and Kanban boards as such. In craft.do, well, you can also customize your documents in craft.do. You can set image headers, change font styles, text styles, colors, weights, increase and decrease indentions, add media, add text decoration. You can really make your documents your own by customizing each one based on your liking. Is blazing fast and works both offline and online like Apple Notes. This is the advantage of an app being built natively for iOS, iPadOS, and Mac OS. It guarantees a fast and responsive experience because these apps are built natively for these platforms. Plus, yes, you can work on your documents online or even offline. You can continue editing on Craft even with no internet connection. All of the changes that you've made within the app will be then synced throughout all of your devices once your internet connection is restored. It has page and block linking capabilities like Roam and Obsidian. I haven't tried and used Roam and Obsidian, but can confirm that within Craft you can create pages, within pages, within pages, and so on. You can also create links to other documents by using the @ sign, which enables you to go back and forth within your documents. Has simple and frictionless ways to share and collaborate like Google Docs. This is another functionality that I can say for sure because I haven't tried it, because I'm only using Craft for my own. But I've seen some demo videos of it and it is super interesting. Has powerful export options so your data isn't locked in, like it should be. Honestly, this is one of the functionalities that surprised me the most because of its flexibility. You can export in PDF, in Markdown, text bundle, and even a docx MS Word file. Also, you can send it via email, and lastly, my favorite export option, exporting via secret link, wherein you can share a Craft Docs link of your document that can be opened as a web page. So, how do I use Craft Docs? Well, basically all of my ideas, write-ups, captions, and anything notes related go straight into Craft Docs. My setup is pretty straightforward. I organize everything into folders. I have an archive folder for documents that I don't need anymore but might reference in the future. Well, there's nothing on it now. Then I have folders for each field that I work on. There's design, media, photography, podcast, YouTube. Then there's a general folder for personal stuff. I also use Craft Docs as an inbox for ideas and also a to-do list. I have an inbox document where I throw down quick ideas, articles, quick notes. Basically, this is where I jot down most of my ideas before they flew out and be gone forever. Then I have a to-do list wherein I put my tasks and the things that I want to do, whether it may be a long-term task or a short-term task or quick tasks. Then I use this to-do list in conjunction with an app called TickTick, where I schedule my day via block scheduling, where I create tasks in an hourly manner. I'm still experimenting on it, but it works for me so far. So if you are interested for a video about hour blocking or block scheduling that I do, let me know in the comments down below. That would be an interesting topic to talk about. Anyway, that's pretty much it. You might be expecting some fancy setups on Craft Docs, but I think it's pretty straightforward. As I've said in the beginning of this video, I want something simple. It may be as simple as organizing documents into folders, but there's just something in Craft Docs that makes me want to use the app more. Something that makes me want to write more. It may not be as complex as any other note-taking apps out there, but the simplicity and the just works feel is what gets me right into it. I'm a sucker for beautifully designed apps, and this one is pure. I have been waiting for an app like this for such a long time. Go check it out. Craft Docs is available for iOS, iPadOS, and macOS. There's a free plan where you're allowed with 1,000 blocks of content, and there is also a subscription option if the 1,000 blocks of content is not enough for you. I'm still using the free plan as of now. So yeah, download the app, go check it out, and tell them I sent you. Bye.